Good morning children. Welcome to our first class for the maths. First chapter is revision. Children, did you having test books? Please open your test books. What is our first one? Fill in the missing numbers. Here given from 1 to 100. You need to fill these numbers. Here you should write here. Now next, this is in your homework in your test book. Do in your test book and post it WhatsApp group. Let's see next one. Spelling of numbers. I already said in previous class. I will explain again. Right there. Following. Numbers in words. Okay, children. Now, what is our first one? 89. Next, 52. Next one, 100. Now, write down number name, children. 89. 89. Now next one 52. Write down here 52 in words. 52. Next 100. Don't write 100. 100. You write 100. 89, 52 and 100. Okay children, now let's see next one activity is given how to find out smallest number and greatest number. We do the coloring that. Now children, tell me what is the shape? This is a square shape. Here get some numbers. What are the numbers? 15, 23, 11 and 49. Now tell me children, see here, what is the small number? 11 is the small number. Now you do coloring this 11 red color. Which color Amma? Red color. Red color for smallest number. Now let's tell me what is the biggest number? 49. 49. Do coloring for 49 with which color? Blue color. Do coloring with blue. Now how to use these colors? You can easily identify what is the red color is for smallest number and blue color is for greatest number. Do this activity. Okay children, in your classwork, please children maintain one book, notebook for maths, for classwork. Do proper day by day classes. Now let's see next one, comparing numbers. You can understand this one. A red color for smallest number. You are mentioning smallest number for red color and greatest number for blue color. You do coloring. Why are you using these colors? Because you are easy identify what is the smallest number and what is the greatest number. Okay children. Now next one, let's see next one, comparing numbers or compare numbers. Compare numbers. You get one circle. In this circles, 5 numbers is there, that are 33, 18, 15 and 35. Here write down ordering numbers or compare numbers in ordering. Compare numbers in ordering. Okay children, now you get circles, some circles. How many circles? 5 circles. In these circles put these numbers. Okay, now this is begin with the greatest number. First activity is what? You begin with greatest number. First you find out what is the greatest number. First you find out what is the greatest number. Here 33, 18, 35, 15 and 44. 44 is the greatest number. You begin with the greatest number. You should write here 44. Now next one. This 44 completed. Let's compare these two 4 numbers, 33, 18, 35 and 15. Which one is the greatest number? 35. You should write in this circles 35. Okay children. Now next one. This one 35 over. Now next here 3 numbers is there. Now next one, which is the greatest number? 33, 18 and 15. 33 is the next greatest number. You should write here 33. Now next one, 33 is over. Next 2 numbers is there, that are 18 and 15. Which one is the next greatest number? 18 or 15? 18 is the greatest number. You should write in this circles 18. Now 18 is over. Now last number is what? 15. You write in last circle 15. Okay children. This is the greatest to smallest number. Greatest number to smallest numbers. How to write greatest number to smallest numbers? Smallest numbers. Now let's explain next one. How to write smallest number to greatest number. I get one circle. In these circles, numbers is there, that are 11, 24, 12, 34 and 43. This is begin with the smallest number to biggest number. Okay children, you starting from smallest number. First you find out here which one is the smallest number. 11, 24, 12, 43 and 34. Which one is the smallest number? 11 is the smallest number. So you should write in first circle 11. Okay children. Next one. Which one is the smallest one? 24, 12, 34 and 43. Which one is the smallest one? 12. Okay children. Next you should write second circle 12. Now next 12 is over. Next 3 numbers is there, that are 24, 34 and 43. Which one is the smallest one? 24. You should write in the next circle 24. Okay. Now next compare these 2 numbers, 34 and 43. Which one is the smallest one? 34. Now last number is what? 43. This is ordering number from smallest number to greatest number. You can understand children. These all keep in your minds. If you have any doubts, please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye.